Welcome to IntelAgree. Our AI-powered contract lifecycle management software revolutionizes contract creation, requests, negotiation, and more. Here's the thing. There's no I in contract. It's a team effort that demands seamless collaboration. But traditional methods, downloading, emailing, merging edits, waste time and increase the risk of losing key details. With IntelAgree's co-editing, you can edit contracts directly in your favorite drafting tools, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Leave comments and track changes seamlessly on the draft. And most importantly, ensure everyone is always working on the same up-to-date version. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in with our Senior Manager of Learning and Optimization, Matthew Miller.
IntelAgree's co-editing integration simplifies and streamlines internal negotiations. The co-editing integration allows users to kick off a co-edit session where they can invite team members to join and work simultaneously on editing a version of the contract. Once initiated, the selected users will receive an in-app notification and email inviting them to participate in the editing session. And don't worry, if someone was overlooked, they can always be added to the session without disturbing the editing that's already underway. When co-editing through Word, users can open the file in their desktop app, allowing for the full Word suite to be used during the co-editing session. Once the edits are done, the session can be closed, causing the edited version to flow back to IntelAgree as a new version to the contract. While a co-edit session is in progress, those who were not invited to join the session will be unable to access the session nor upload a new version to the contract record until the session is closed or they're added into the session. The in-co-editing dashboard card helps users manage their co-edit sessions by providing users visibility into all active sessions on which they're collaborating. To learn more about how co-editing can take your business's negotiations to the next level, reach out to an IntelAgree team member today.